name and the designation. I mean, if you're managing president or what. Can you start with Sir Boris?
So my mom's the president actually.
Okay.
She's been there in the business since 1988. So the company's been there. So I've been involved in the company since 2000. I started joining the company. So I handle more on the admin side, the finance side, and then I assist also my mom. So normally I'm also her vice president in the company. So, yeah.
So let's start with the product itself. Can you tell us
Well,
story behind or
this is all about doors. So
Okay.
right now we felt that there's a big demand for doors because in our projects
Yes.
there were specs required about doors. Special kind of doors. These are not
Special.
just ordinary doors. These are fireproof, soundproof. So anyway, you're gonna see it all in the presentation. So these are special types of doors.
So
These are-
mostly po saan siya gawa?
These
Steel,
are exclusively made in Germany.
Germany. So we import it as is na or as a finished product.
Yeah.
Okay. So right
It's
now
gonna be fabricated there
and then ship here. So as of now po, saan po siya display or sino yung mga legit distributors po natin?
wala pa. Actually, we're the first one. So we're gonna be the first one to bring in this product. So this is their first time actually in the Philippines.
Okay.
So they're relatively famous in other parts of the world, but it's only the first time here in the Philippines. So this is in Asia also, I think.
So you're saying, sir, na kayo po yung parang exclusive distributor nun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So actually, because there is a demand also on data centers now, diba? So of course, these data centers, we know these require special kinds of walls and doors. Hindi pwede dapat masunog yan. Hindi pwede
Security.
pasukan ng mga any
Noise.
kind of elements. That's why these doors would be the perfect answer and solutions to those kind of requirements. So yeah.
Pero as of now po, as for the clients, meron po, pwede nyo po bang i-mention as of now kung parang may government po ba tayo or you handle mostly BPOs or
Wala pa for government.
Even clients.
Practically, we're talking to mga private individuals like EPLDT. We talk to them. We
Okay.
talk to Globe. We talk to Subway. The Shimizu Takinaka EEI joint venture. We're talking to them because doors of this kind is not only for data center but it's for subways. Subways, we have shutters, mga safety doors for mga airports. We can have all these things kasi ours dito are manually operated. This can be motorized. It can be it can be what you call it? It can be operated in an office, something like that. So it's the first time that we will have this kind of doors.
Anyway, this is the first time we're going to introduce it. That's why we haven't even touched anyone. I mean, we're just showing it to the client. So it's up to them if they. So we haven't really formally talked to any client yet. So this is just it's just an introduction of the product. So hopefully after this, then they're going to be they're sold to the idea.
so more or less parang presentation?
Presentation, yes.
Why did you bring the product here? I mean, what's the reason behind who approached you?
Yeah, because Shimizu asked us for quotations. So we researched for doors that will fit the requirements. This is for the subways.
Kaya po na-discover
Yeah,
yung
it
item.
was discovered. And then when we talk about them, and they were willing to serve us if there's a need. Then they came over and he told me this is the first time in Asia that they have touch
Papasok
base.
siya ngayon dito.
Because we have to be conscious of safety, we have to be conscious of fire is everywhere, or mga earthquakes and all. These are all covered by this kind of installation.
Ano po ang installation? Will you be bringing in people?
No, we local people. Last night we started training already. We started training our people. But the first few installation maybe that we will do, we'll bring in 2 technical people. But we were training already. Yesterday we started training our own people. We don't want
And eventually, we will also bring them to Germany to get.
the train.
Is there a product line po that is yung parang hinahanap-hanap po ng, or like yung brand po ng Turk and Drop na you will be promoting, like a specific product po?
This
Like-
is the first time they knew the product. So maybe after ordering a few, maybe hanap-hanapin na nila because this thing may be a little bit pricey, but then all the hardwares are in place. We're not be looking at isa-isa piece to piece. This will be in place. It will be fire rated. It will be pre-painted, and it's delivered to the correct specification and fire rating. Not like sa iba dito, sabihin 2 hours fire rating, but it never come up to the rating that
So more or less,
ginasabi nila.
parang as per request ng
Yeah.
client.
Client.
Naka-specific.
Specific.
Thank you po.
This can be for garage doors, motorized garage doors. It can be for condominiums, for mga special doors, pag mag-ano sila na mga safety, burglar, high-tech
Especially sa mga garage na magaganda yung sasakyan.
Yes.
Residential.
Yes.
Residential. Okay.
Anyway,
Residential.
you see it all in the presentation. So
You'll
you
have
have a better idea.
We'll have it more in the presentation.
Sir, last question, sir. If ever there are people interested, may website po ba tayo or where can they call our FB account na
My website ang Makati Cover Oil.
Okay. So doon na lang po. Nandun na po lahat yung details.
You can also go to YouTube. I think the Take and Trap is in YouTube now.
Okay.
Package has their own website also. So you can really look at it.
Sir, last question. How long have you been in the business po?
Makati Cover Oil is 1988. We incorporated in 1988. We have done a lot of projects like we have done the one in Brunei, in the Palace of Brunei. I did also the Manila Bay malls.
Ayala
I did
Mall.
also Trinoma. I did also Uptown malls. Then now we will be doing the one in FTI Mall. Then we did also Glorienda 1 and 2. So it's about time that we evolve from here and
From
put in
being a
another,
general contractor to a
yeah,
specific supplier.
supplier and installation. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.